All right, so we had some snow squalls yesterday, so that kind of prevented us from getting out here and splitting some wood. But we're actually going to be doing some cutting on this pile here. We're going to move these rounds today, get them closer to the splitter. In my last video, I explained I was asking for a little more of a mixed variety, some cherry elm, beech, maple hickory, because for I think the last 3 loads I had were strictly oak. And I'm out right now with Miss Viv. Miss Viv, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Oh, is Sarge going potty? We have to actually come out here and stuff stacker on these pallets here. But the pallets, they go around that bend down into that field. And we just got rid of all the snow in the yard, and it's all back now. So, oh yeah, we gotta clean that up. All right, so the down and dirty of having dogs. Gotta clean up that poop. Where is it? Oh yeah, that's a steamer. Yeah, that's a steamer. All right, go play with Sarge. Yeah, go play with him. Oh boy. All right, guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for future videos. We have a bunch coming out. I've been doing some recording, just haven't had time to actually do the editing and getting it. Up, get up. You don't got your snow pants on, get up. All right. Oh, good job. All right, you gotta remember that there's still a little bit of ice on the ground. You don't want to step on that. You go take another ride. All right, guys. So there's some of our wood over here. So we got a mixture. We got maple, hickory, elm, some beech, a little bit of birch, and then everything else is oak. In the back there, it's all oak. Then in this back field there, we got some wood down there that's oak. But so do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for future videos.